How to turn off UI navigation, Roblox PC. So for those who don't know about this error, imagine you're having the time of your life playing Roblox when all of a sudden your character stops moving and it appears like there's nothing you can do. So it's like a character is stuck in Roblox. So the best thing to do here is step one is to look for help. To do that, you just have to tap the Roblox icon at the top left corner, and then you can see options there: people, settings, report, and help. You just have to tap help. Step two, under help, what you're going to do here is to simply look for that UI option. And then if you tap that, you can see here that in order to fix that, you just have to tap or kindly press the slash icon or symbol. So step three, you just have to go back to your Roblox and then kindly enter the slash symbol and then try to move your character if there are any changes. So something will pop up that you have disabled your or turn off your UI navigation Roblox PC. So as you can see, I can now move my character because I turn off or enabled this UI navigation. So that's how easy it is. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.